NFL Sunday ticket for military. In today's video, you are going to learn how to get NFL Sunday ticket military discount. So let's get started. First, who are eligible, verify your status as military or veteran, first responder, medical community or teacher through the provided id.me link. If you need help with the verification process, you can go to the contact link contactid.me or review their facts. Buy NFL Sunday ticket for this, follow the link in your email or go directly to their youtube.com/NFL link. Click renew membership and you should see this offer automatically applied as long as you signed up with id.me last season and are signed in with the same Google account you used last season. If you are purchasing NFL Sunday ticket for the first time, go to the id.me link below for the group you are part of and click the green button next to verify now. Now choose military or veteran as your option and click on the link. Now you can also choose medical community or you can choose teachers. Choose the link according to your choice. Sign into the account you would like to use to access NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube or YouTube TV. Then complete your verification. You will be directed to a YouTube purchase page. You will see the option to pay in one payment or installment, as well as the option to add NFL RedZone for $42 before your checkout. Choose according to your need. You can fix errors when purchasing. Go to youtube.com on a computer or mobile browser. In the top right corner, select your profile picture. Here, select switch account. Select an account that is not associated with the brand account and follow the steps for buying NFL Sunday ticket above. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.